Most people think rich people work harder than everyone else. They're wrong. The truth is, wealthy people don't just work for money. They make money work for them. And if you only had $1,000 to your name, here's exactly how you could start building real wealth from scratch. I'm John and I welcome you to Just Invest, where we talk about money, investing, and building wealth the smart way. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to know how ordinary people turn small amounts into millions, stay until the end, because the last step is the one most people completely ignore. Step 1. Stop trying to look rich. The biggest reason most people stay broke isn't because they don't make enough money. It's because they spend everything they earn. Every time they get a raise, they upgrade their phone, they buy expensive clothes, they finance a car they can't afford, and then wonder why they're still broke. Wealthy people do the opposite. Instead of spending extra money, they invest it. Because looking rich and being rich are two completely different things. Millionaires buy assets. Everyone else buys liabilities. Step 2. Invest in income-producing assets. Imagine you have $1,000. Most people would spend it, but wealthy people would ask one question. How can I make this money pay me? They buy stocks, they invest in businesses, they learn valuable skills, or they start side hustles that generate cash. Because the goal isn't to trade time for money forever. The goal is to own things that keep making money while you sleep. That's how wealth is built. Step 3. Let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Albert Einstein supposedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. And here's why. If you invest just $500 every month at an average return of 10%, you'll have over $1 million after several decades. Not because you're investing millions, but because your money starts making money, and then that money makes even more money. That's the power of compound interest. Time is more important than timing. Step 4. Increase your income. Saving alone won't make you rich. You also need to earn more. Learn high-income skills. Start a business. Freelance. Create content. Sell products. Invest in yourself. Because the more money you make, the more money you can invest. And the more you invest, the faster your wealth grows. Step 5. Stay consistent. Most people quit too early. They expect results in 6 months. But wealth isn't built overnight. It's built over years. The people who become millionaires aren't always the smartest. They're the most consistent. They keep investing, they keep learning, and they keep showing up, even when they don't see immediate results. Consistency beats intensity every single time. So remember, stop trying to look rich, buy assets, increase your income, let compound interest work for you, and stay consistent. Because the journey from $1,000 to $1 million doesn't happen in one giant step. It happens one smart decision at a time. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Just Invest, and I'll see you in the next one.